Talk to us a little bit about your experience with design firms, because I assume that you didn't take your kind of carbon mock-ups and then end up with a finished product. There's some steps in between.
No, definitely not. And I'm not the person that is going to, get onto a, SolidWorks station and do all of the, incredible surfacing, and all of that. So I ended up going to, probably the largest UK firm. I obviously was fortunate because I was self-funding that my project, and all the things I should have done, I didn't do. I'll be completely honest. And again, hindsight is a wonderful thing, because I thought to myself, my idea was that we need to get this done quickly. There's this marketplace seems to be moving quickly, which it did, and there were many businesses like Bird and Lime and Spin and these sort of scooter businesses that were scaled to unbelievable. Within 6 months they were worth stock market valuations of over 4 billion. And yeah,
Wow.
you went literally from nothing to that, and I was looking at them thinking, my God, the promise is awful. What this is going to fail, which they did, but it was pretty much obvious. So I thought to myself, right, if I'm going to get on this and create another huge business, we need to get this over the line very quickly. So I made the fatal mistake of going to probably the UK's largest design firm, having the world promised to me, and having rather less than the world delivered. And I won't name and shame, but yeah, a very disappointing experience. Again, of a large firm that to me should have definitely lived up to far more than they did live up to. I think in their minds that they wanted to get into that industry, and I think they were going to use me as a test case to sort of launch themselves into that industry. But as I said, it just failed, and everything that they did for me ended up being pretty much useless. I mean, in the end, we got a sort of something of a prototype that looked, something like how it should look, but there was a lot of sort of internal gaffer tape, should we say, going on, lots of smoke and mirrors.